The Supreme Court has granted interim protection from arrest to YouTuber and podcaster Ranveer Allahabadiya, following multiple First Information Report filed against him across India. First Information Report stemmed from inappropriate comments made by Allahabadiya during his appearance on the controversial show India's Got Latent, which was hosted by comedian Samay Raina. The Supreme Court's decision is conditional upon Allahabadiya fully cooperating with the ongoing investigation. The court also clarified that no further First Information Report would be registered against him based on the episode aired on the show. In addition, Allahabadiya has been instructed to deposit his passport with the police and is not allowed to leave the country without prior permission from the court. The court also issued notices on his plea to combine the First Information Reports and placed an interim stay on the arrest for First Information Report registered in Maharashtra, Assam, and Jaipur, provided he participates in the investigation. The Supreme Court further allowed Allahabadiya the option to approach local police in Maharashtra and Assam for protection if he faces any threat that hinders his ability to cooperate with the probe. The court also directed Allahabadiya and his associates to refrain from participating in show business for a while. The case took a serious turn when the Supreme Court criticized Allahabadiya for his remarks on India's Got Latent. The bench sharply questioned his lawyer, asking, "What according to you is obscenity? You say this is not obscenity. If this is not obscenity, then what is?" The court expressed disappointment, pointing out a total lack of responsibility in Allahabadiya's actions. It further noted that Allahabadiya's comments violated moral and societal rules, stating, "There is something very dirty in his mind." The Supreme Court also emphasized that Allahabadiya's comments would make parents and sisters feel ashamed, calling the language total pervert type language. The court added, "If somebody commits a wrong, law will take its own course," and remarked that Allahabadiya should be ashamed of the language he used. He has embarrassed his parents. He is a pervert who used pervert-type language, the court stated. The Supreme Court's stern response reflects the seriousness of the matter, and it is clear that Allahabadiya's controversial remarks have sparked significant outrage. As the investigation continues, Allahabadiya will be required to fully cooperate with authorities while also adhering to the court's directions.